For many years, I've been self-employed and working from home. Ever since I quit serving 7 years ago, I've been trying to find ways to make money from home. I make car decals, t-shirts, and even web design, but a most recent side job that I've been doing is sewing from home and making flags. This business is finally taking off, but everyone has different perspectives, I guess, but to me, I think it's still pretty good. You can still make money. You just gotta look around and find ways to make money from home. I opened my eBay account and my Etsy account, and that's where I sell most of my flags. Even on Marketplace on Facebook, I have met a few people and sell my products there. Since August of 2025 to March of 2026, I made over $2,000 of just this side job, which is the flag business, and they're really easy to make. And this is my story. But as I read once in a book, you must love what you do in order for you to make money, because most people focus on making money rather than focus on doing what they love to do. And for me, crafting is one of the things that I love doing. By the way, if you're liking this video, I appreciate if you give me a hype. This will really help me. My most recent project was this flag, and it took me a while because it was handcrafted from the beginning. But like I said, I really enjoy doing this. And this flag is a Mexican flag from the famous Battle of Puebla against the French, also known as the Battle of Cinco de Mayo, which is the battle against the French that the Mexican army won, and also known here for partying and drinking beer. And while we're here, let me give you guys a history lesson. So the reason why people celebrate Cinco de Mayo here is because this battle is so important to American history, for the reason that the French were coming here to assist the Confederacy Army, but they never got to make it here thanks to the Mexican army, who defeated them at the famous Battle of Puebla. And this is one of the reasons why they celebrate Cinco de Mayo here, because the Mexican army kind of helped Lincoln's army to defeat the Confederacy. And now let's go back to crafting. So for this flag, I use these three different type of colors, which is red, yellow, and blue, to make a brown color. And I also make the same colors to use a orange color, which is the color for the eagle, and I use yellow and blue for the green. So this is the only three colors are used for this design. And I asked AI to help me reconstruct this design from the Mexican flag from back then, and this is the one compared to the original. But recently I sold two flags, the one that you are watching here, which is a World War I German flag, and my Mexican flag. So they're on their way to the post office. All right, guys, I'm here at the post office. There's the two flags, so let's go inside. All right, guys, so I just paid $15.85 for both flags, so I'm really happy with it. I make some money too from the shipping. So anyway, yeah, this is my story. This is one of the things that I do to make money. I recommend that you guys look around and find ways to make money too. It is there, you just gotta look for it. So next episode, I will show you more about this pirate flag. Make sure you subscribe. See you guys there.